Right now, your devices are exposing your IP address to the world. To you, that's just a string of numbers. But for hackers, it's the opening move in a chess match, and your personal data is the king they're after. Here's the part most cybersecurity beginners miss. Every IP address is a square on that board. Subnets show how big your digital territory is. CIDR, that's the rulebook that decides the boundaries of play. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to teach you exactly what those numbers mean. You'll finally understand IP addresses, subnets, and CIDR. All right, let's dive in. So let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is an IP address? And why does it matter so much to hackers? Think of an IP address like your home address. Without it, the delivery guy wouldn't know where to drop your pizza. On the internet, the pizza is data, and your IP is what tells routers and servers where to send it. A typical IPv4 address looks like 192.168.1.10. 4 chunks, each 0 to 255. That's because IPv4 uses 32 bits split into 4 octets. Simple, 2 quick mental images to hold. Public IP equals the building's street address. Everyone on the internet can find it. Private IP equals your apartment number inside that building. Only people inside the building need it. Question for you. If private IPs are hidden from the public internet, why do hackers care about them so much? Hold that. We'll close that loop later with a real example. But before we get to that, let's break down the anatomy of an IP and see why we even needed a brand new version of them. 192.168.1.10 isn't random. The first parts point you to a neighborhood. The last part is your house number. IPv4 gives around 4 billion addresses. Sounded like a lot once. But as phones, IoT devices, and smart everything exploded, we ran out. Enter IPv6, practically infinite addresses. Imagine going from a single city to an entire galaxy of addresses. For now, though, most beginner-level attacks and lessons use IPv4. So that's our playground today. And once you understand addresses, the next piece is neighborhoods. That's where subnets come in. A subnet slices a bigger network into smaller neighborhoods. Why? Efficiency and security. If your company is a big apartment building, you don't want every tenant to have a key to every room. A subnet mask like 255.255.255.0 tells you who's in your neighborhood. That mask basically says these first 3 octets are the neighborhood. The last octet is the house number. Small subnet equals fewer devices in the same neighborhood. Large subnet equals many devices. Hackers love sloppy subnetting. It's like finding a hotel where every door uses the same key. Now, remembering all those subnet masks gets messy. That's why the pros use a shortcut called CIDR notation. Subnet masks are clunky to say every time. So networking people use CIDR notation, the slash shorthand. 192.168.1.0/24 means the first 24 bits are the network. The remaining bits are hosts. Memory hack. Bigger slash equals smaller neighborhood. /8 equals massive city, lots of houses. /16 equals town. /24 equals street, about 256 addresses. /30 equals tiny building for point-to-point links. Cut the network into big slices, 8 or many small slices, 24. The bigger the slice, the fewer slices you make. But each slice holds many devices. Okay, but how do you actually calculate how many houses or devices fit inside one of these subnets? Let's make it simple. Here's the painless calculation you'll always use. Take the slash number, subtract from 32. That result is host bits. Calculate 2 power host bits equals total addresses. Subtract 2 for network and broadcast. That's usable hosts. Examples. /24, 32 minus 24 equals 8. 2 power 8 equals 256 equals 254 usable hosts. /16, 32 minus 16 equals 16. 2 power 16 equals 65,536 equals 65,534 usable hosts. /30, 32 minus 30 equals 2. 2 power 2 equals 4 equals 2 usable hosts. And /32, perfect VIP. Exactly 1 IP, 1 device, no neighbors. Try this, 10.0.0.0, /20, and comment how many usable hosts this has. Now that you can size up networks, let's return to the earlier question. Why do hackers even care about private IPs? Remember when I asked why hackers care about private IPs if they're hidden? Here's the answer now that you've seen subnets and CIDR. Public IP gets you to the building. Once attackers are inside, via phishing, a compromised VPN, or an exposed service, private IPs are the apartment numbers and hallway signs that show them where the valuables are. Printers, file servers, domain controllers. That internal map is what lets them pivot laterally. So yes, private IPs are only hidden from the public internet, but they're extremely valuable to anyone already inside. So now you know, an IP address isn't just random numbers on your screen. It's a digital GPS that tells the world where you are, a boundary marker that defines your network, and in the wrong hands, a treasure map for hackers. But here's the thing, knowing the address is only half the story. Hackers also look for the doors and windows attached to that address, the ports. That's where the real action happens, from open web servers to vulnerable databases. And the good news? We already created a full video breaking down ports and how attackers use them. Watch that next, because once you combine IP addresses with ports, you'll start seeing networks exactly the way hackers do. And more importantly, you'll know how to defend them. Thanks for watching. And remember, every number in networking tells a story. The question is, are you reading it like a beginner or like a defender?